If you've ever felt like your notes are scattered, your tasks are everywhere, and your goals are just floating around, then this might be something worth looking at. So today I tried out an app called Journal It, and the idea is pretty simple. It tries to put your whole life into one place, not just journaling, but also your tasks, your habits, your goals, even your daily planning. At first, it feels like a normal note-taking app. You can write your thoughts, track your day, and keep things organized. But once you dig a little deeper, you start to see it's trying to do a lot more than that. You can turn notes into tasks, connect them to projects, and even track progress over time. One thing I noticed right away is that everything is connected. So instead of jumping between different apps for notes, to-do lists, and habit tracking, you're doing everything inside one system. That can actually feel really nice once you get used to it. Another thing I liked is that it works offline. You don't have to worry about internet all the time, and your data stays with you. For people who care about privacy, that's a big plus. Now, I'll be honest, this is not the easiest app to pick up. When you first open it, it can feel a bit confusing. There are a lot of features, and it takes some time to understand how everything fits together. It's one of those tools where you need a bit of patience in the beginning, but if you stick with it, it starts to make sense. And once it clicks, you can actually build a system that fits your life the way you want. So overall, I'd say this is a powerful app, but it's not for everyone. If you like simple tools, this might feel like too much. But if you enjoy organizing your life and want everything in one place, then this could be a really useful tool for you.